Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened unchanged at 10,844.19. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged 0.01% lower, while Germany's DAX gained 0.19%, as investors monitored the US-Iran standoff over the Strait of Hormuz and awaited US inflation data. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 26,445.45, while the S&P 500 also declined to 7,728.2. In company news, infrastructure group Balfour Beatty raised its 2026 guidance after strong first-half profit growth and improved cash generation. Betting and gaming group Evoke reported resilient first-half revenue, although higher UK gaming duties weighed on profitability as the Bally's Intralot deal advances. Against sterling, the US dollar, Japanese yen and Australian dollar strengthened marginally. The Swiss franc weakened slightly and the euro was unchanged. Bitcoin was up slightly. In commodities, copper and natural gas moved higher, coal edged lower, and Brent crude gained amid continuing Hormuz supply risks. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Wednesday.